In this video, I'll tell you exactly what the game-changing thumbnail test tool is and why it's a lifesaver for content creators. I'll also explain the experiment you're joining in on with me. But let's start with the experiment first. The idea is really simple. I want proof that the thumbnail tool is working like it should and is really doing what it's designed to do. So let's make sure together that the experiment is gonna be a big success. And actually, that's why I have 3 small requests for you. The YouTube algorithm needs to gather data about the videos that's being posted on YouTube. And the more data it gets, the more accurate the results are gonna be. So my first request for you is that please watch this short video all the way to the end for the experiment to be as successful as possible. And like I said, I have 2 more small requests, but first I want to tell you a little bit about the game-changing thumbnail testing tool. Arguably, the packaging of the video, meaning thumbnail and title, is the most important for creating intrigue and getting a click on YouTube to watch the video. But actually, most of the users on YouTube, they look at the thumbnail first, before the titles. So the thumbnail needs to create the ultimate curiosity for the viewer. Before YouTube rolled out this free tool, you had to make a thumbnail and basically hope for it to do well. You really could not tell 100% how it's going to perform. So it was basically like trying to shoot in the dark. Of course, you could change the thumbnail later if the video wouldn't perform well in terms of click-through rate. Thumbnail testing is not at all something new. I've used paid tools like TubeBuddy, for instance, and they have had the A/B test in their software for a long time. But it comes with a price. Of course, TubeBuddy has all kinds of other amazing helpful tools also, but let's not get into them now. Today, on YouTube, you can upload up to 3 different thumbnails for your video and give the YouTube algorithm the chance to show all 3 thumbnails to different viewers and gather data. The big bad algorithm is trying to figure out which thumbnail will get the most clicks. Basically, what version of the thumbnail is the most intriguing one for the audience to want to click and watch the video. After YouTube has done its testing, it automatically pushes the best performing thumbnail to the audience on a larger scale. The second request I have from you is to comment in the comments section what thumbnail did you see and clicked on, A, B or C. I made all of these thumbnails quickly in Canva for the purpose of the video. I want you to comment because the video will get more impressions on YouTube, and the more people see the thumbnails and click to watch the video, the better results the test will get. I'll quickly show the thumbnails again down here. The YouTube tool is officially called Test and Compare. It is helping content creators a lot by minimizing the guesswork of the thumbnail. This is a game changer for most creators, since it's a free tool. Let me say it again, free tool, and it's integrated on the platform. The experiences I have had previously with TubeBuddy got me really excited when YouTube rolled out this feature. I think it will help all kinds of content creators, but I have an itch that it will help us smaller channels in big ways, since most of us are doing everything ourselves, including the thumbnails, without any professional knowledge about image processing. The last and final request I have for you is to make sure you come back for the results of the test. It might take a month for YouTube to finish the testing of the different thumbnails, but as soon as I got the results, I will post a video about them. It might be a good idea to subscribe so you don't miss that video if you're interested. But before you do that, you might be interested in the common struggles small YouTubers have to deal with, so check out this video.